In this video, I am going to show you how to add a partner account on Google Photos. When you share it with your partner, they will receive the photos you've chosen to share as soon as they back up. Once your partner accepts your invitation for partner sharing, they can choose to use partner sharing to share the photos back with you. 1. On your computer, go to photos.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. Click Settings, Partner Sharing, Get Started. Enter or select an email address. You can only invite someone with a Google account. Select which photos to add to your partner account. All photos or photos of specific people, or only show photos since this day. Click Next. If everything seems right, click Send Invitation. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.